How to uninstall software on Mac. It is necessary to delete the non-necessary apps on your Mac to clean up space. In this video, we'll show you how to uninstall software on Mac. There are different methods applied for this purpose. Uninstall apps downloaded from the App Store. Step 1. Click on the Launchpad icon in the dock and search for Launchpad in Spotlight. Step 2. Find the app you want to uninstall. Step 3. Click and hold the app icon until it starts shaking or until an X appears in the upper left corner of the icon. Step 4. Click the X icon. Step 5. A pop-up window will appear asking if you want to delete the app. Click Delete. Step 6. If prompted, enter your Mac user account password. Step 7. The app will be moved to the trash. You can empty the trash to completely remove the app from your Mac. To do this, right-click on the trash icon in the dock and select Empty Trash. Uninstall apps not downloaded from the App Store. Step 1. Open the Finder by clicking on your desktop or the Finder icon in the dock and select the app you want to delete. Step 2. Move the app to the trash using one of these methods. Drag the app to the trash. Choose File, then move to Trash from the menu bar. Press Command-Delete on your keyboard. Step 3. If prompted, enter the name and password of an administrator account on your Mac. Step 4. To permanently delete the app, select Finder, Empty Trash. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.